We're about to go exploring on our first day in Seoul, and right now Hammer's watching a polar bear video. But once he's done, then we're gonna go to a palace, and then we're gonna go to the market, and we're gonna get all kinds of food. It's gonna be delicious.
Can't start your morning without some good old-fashioned 7
Specialty
11
cafe latte.
Specialty cafe latte. From where? I think it's from Ethiopia, it says.
It's from Seoul. It's from the Seoul store.
No. Here it says.
Oh.
Let me see it.
Ethiopia.
Ethiopia. Are made for little people. This is perfect for Ruthie. I mean, like when I go up here, I almost touch it. I'm not quite tall enough, but look at Ruthie. Watch what she goes through.
Hammer in his element with 2 coffee cups and taking photos. Do you have any comments?
My comments are, this is really hard. And why doesn't this palace put any garbage cans here? I got it.
Ancient science is still too difficult for me. What? This is a sundial made in the 15th century.
Got it.
Would you like to say anything since we're the only ones in front of this temple right now?
Since we're the only ones in front of this temple right now, I want to say that Korea, welcome to it. We're here for a couple days and I'm really happy to be here. I am very, very happy that we did Europe first and we're coming over to Asia, so we're able to see all this culture and take it in that much more. So we're gonna walk around this palace for a little bit longer and then we're gonna head to the food market, which is what we're looking for, and we know that's what you guys are looking for as well. Let's go.
Okay, from reading a lot of the informational things, here's what I've learned, is that most of these are reconstructed fairly recently, like within the last 50 years, because most of the original buildings were destroyed either by the Japanese or by natural fires.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust.
These are Korea's famous mung bean pancakes. This one is with meat, and this one is vegetable, and then we also have a side of onion and soy sauce. This is going to be so good.
Mastered the chopsticks. And this was 4,000 each.
Oh my god. Yeah. This is everything I wanted from a mung bean pancake.
So I'm gonna break this apart just to show you guys how crisp this is. This is literally made right next to us and it's just so fresh. Look, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's so crisp.
That was not crisp.
Okay, I heard it. It's crisp. So this is the vegetable one. This one's the bean one. That's the meat one. This one's the... So good. The soy sauce is a little bit vinegary, so if you're not into that, I think don't have it, but the pancake itself tastes incredible. So after trying both the meat and the vegetable mung bean pancake, I'm all about the classic mung bean vegetable pancake. It is way better, it's crispier, I think, and you could really, really taste the flavors of the vegetables. So I'm all about the classic one, because I'm just a classic guy.
I think the vegetable one tastes better also.
This spot is really famous because it was on Netflix and now it gets way too much attention and probably still is good, but there's a bunch of other places here that are probably just as good, if not better. So we're gonna try those out instead. That spot right behind us is just ridiculously packed just because of Netflix.
Yeah, we saw like there were so many people there. I was like, whoa, what's going on here? And then there was just a sign that said like Netflix and had a picture of like a street food segment that they did. So I feel bad because all of these are probably really, really tasty, but they're not getting any attention. So we came here and we're getting steamed kimchi dumplings, and we're also gonna get cold noodle soup, cold noodle bean soup.
In there, I got some cucumbers in there. It's so good. It has ice in there to make it extra cold, and it's very special on a hot day like today.
Okay, cool. So I'm gonna start, I guess. This is the vegetable. That's what it looks like.
Oh no, it's vegetable and kimchi.
Oh, cool. I want to try the kimchi.
It's vegetable and kimchi dumplings. And all of this was 10,000.
It's a little bit spicy, but it's really good. The dumplings here aren't nearly as fancy as the dumplings we had in Hong Kong, but they're still amazing. So they don't look like super
Presentable, like the ones in Hong Kong were like, but they're Chinese dumplings, you know what I mean?
But these ones are amazing.
If anybody loves eggs, it's Ruthie.
Oh.
What happened to the egg? What'd you do to it? I thought you loved eggs. Ruthie got a nice little coffee because she was tired. Oh, there she is. All right, and I got some yogurt because I needed some ice cream. Turns out this place was opened in 1937.
So much history.
It tastes incredible. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's worth it. This was altogether 11,300.
This shop is called Line Friends, and we were first introduced to it at the Hong Kong airport, and we had no idea how big it was.
Look at this guy, Ruthie. Oh, he's warm. Cold, warm. Alright guys, for those of you who aren't into like cute little bears, they got a section here for the angsty teenagers. Don't worry, we got you guys covered. Right here.
It's an eye massage.
So you decided to come to Korea and you want to navigate throughout the city and you don't want to use Uber or a taxi. Obviously that's the more expensive route. Usually we take public transportation or walk. However, in Korea, Google Maps doesn't work. Because Google Maps doesn't work, we decided we're going to use the Naver app. This is an app specifically for transportation in Korea. They used to not have the English language at all, but they recently added this, which is awesome. So we're able to navigate our way through and not have to use maps the whole entire time. So we're saving a ton of money using the train station, using the trains, which are incredible here in Seoul. Okay, the best part is there's Wi-Fi on the train right there, and it's incredible.
We made it to our stop. It wasn't so difficult. So now we're gonna go to cafes, shopping, exploring, common ground.
And just like that, we took the subway and didn't die.
Amber's taking pictures, but all I really want to do is go right up there, get a coffee, and sit down and chill, look around for a while. Because one of my favorite things that we do when we just explore new places is just to sit down and watch.
He's sleeping. Coffee is low-key big in South Korea. The coffee culture here is huge. Like, there's so many coffee shops throughout South Korea, and Ruthie's about to try cappuccino, her favorite.
They gave me a big one too, which makes me really happy because sometimes you order one and then it comes out really small. So this is big. It started pouring outside, so we decided to come in here and have a fancy little breakfast. And this was 8,500 won, a scone, and a cappuccino.
It's basically a hat without a brim. I don't know if I'm about it or not. What do you think? All right, guys, we just made it to Beishan. Let's go inside and get some coffee.
Wow. That's the entrance over there. And they also have this like baked good buffet, and they have the prices there, and then so you just bring it up.
Why is it so hard for me to pick it up? Finally got it. That was tough. All right. These are like chili crackers. They taste really, really good. Maybe try the green tea, because you're a green tea type of girl. Because you're greenie.
This is all the flavor I want while I'm here in Asia. It's so good. Here we go.
Ruthie was not lying about this green tea. It's actually incredible. Like, the flavors in here are so rich, and the green tea tastes so good. And this scone is also green tea, and it's so good.
Because we love green tea.
It's green tea with red bean on the inside. Incredible. They're all looking at me. Why?
Really, really hot. This is a rice and vegetable pancake. It's glutinous rice. Glutinous rice.
Glutinous rice.
I don't know if it means it has gluten or if it's like gluttonous, like ooh, yummy, like fatty and stuff. The vegetables are so good. There we go.
Now that we made it about halfway into here, I do want to say it's a bit spicy. Not super spicy for me, but Ruthie definitely feels it a little bit more. So if you're not into spicy stuff, skip this one. So we made it to the Holy Grail, what I've been waiting for all my life, Korean barbecue in Korea. It looks incredible, and it's only 5,000 won for one. I'm ready for this right now. I don't know what this is right here. I think it's, actually I'm just gonna go in for the chicken. This looks so good. It's sweet and really good. It's so good. Oh my god. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ketchup on a cheese stick.
I love cheese.
Gangnam style. Thank you.
감사합니다.
So good.
Oh,
I feel like we're at the state fair.
me too. It's like all the best flavors in one. You got corn dog, you got potato, you got hot dog, you got ketchup and mustard. It's amazing.
Oh my god, that looks incredible.
감사합니다. This is octopus skewer.
That looks so good. Wait, let me see it.
This is like fresh octopus. The sauces are perfect. I want to get this again tomorrow, honestly.
All right, we spent way too much today, so we'll catch you guys tomorrow at this same food spot or a different food spot.
This food market was so much better than the one yesterday. Moral of the story is don't trust all the blogs that you read. Sometimes they're going to tell you to go places that are just like the typical spots to go to instead of going to a new spot that might be a lot better, a lot more fun, and a lot cheaper. So we spent the same amount here that we did at the other market, but got so many more foods and it was so much better. So definitely come here because it was
Absolutely
amazing.
worth it. So worth it. Ruthie's just admiring squid.
I've never seen
Look at them.
them so up close before.
They're all in there. We stopped in for bibimbap because we were really hungry. We're just bibimbap people. By the way, this was 5,000 and this was 6,500. Ruthie's gonna try the cheese.
Keep it straight. Keep it straight.
Hold on.
Did I I'm surprised by how good this ice cream is. I was expecting it to be more of the spectacle than it is about the taste of the ice cream, but the ice cream is really good. So we finally stopped at a cafe here in Hongdae, and we found the best one. This is called Brew Bros Coffee, and it's just super simple. They roast their own coffee beans. It's not too crowded. It's kind of like off on a side street where there's not a lot of people walking by. And there's so many outlets. There's so much space to work. People are happy here. It just feels really nice, and we love it. It looks like a choo-choo train.
You guys probably can't smell it right now. Let me tell you one thing about Korea. Literally everywhere we've been, we haven't been able to find garbage cans on the streets. So we just take our garbage, we hold it in our hands, and then we go to the next spot and we're like, hey, can you throw this out for us?
Yeah, but other people don't do that, and so they just leave their garbage around.
Yeah, so step up your game, Korea. Please put garbages on the streets for people. We came in here because of this guy. Cute guy, little guy.
Hammer can't stay away from vintage clothing stores. He needs to go in every single one.
I have to see all of them. I love them. I don't know why. Dope.
That actually is really cool. Damn it. Typically the best burger you'll ever eat.
Scientific. We'll see if it is, because I'm a burger fiend.
This is Hammer's Coca-Cola. That's his double cheeseburger. These are both of our fries, and that's my mozzarella burger.
Guys, so this burger, double cheeseburger right here. It actually tastes really fresh. Ready.
I would get a second one. I only had a few bites, but I really want more of it. It's so good. Mozzarella cheese is like one of the best things that ever happened in the world. And there's like a whole mozzarella patty. There's a mozzarella patty, beef patty, and a potato patty.
The double cheeseburger is bomb. And the fries here are really good.
I would take a bite of that double cheeseburger too.
I would put this up against McDonald's, seriously.
This is so cool. I'm so happy we ran into this. We were kind of bummed that we weren't celebrating Liberation Day with everyone. We didn't really know what was going to happen. And this is always what happens when you travel. The things that you least expect will happen. We had no idea we were going to run into this. And here it is.
Here it is. This is awesome.
Woo!
This balloon thing is awesome. We always gravitate back towards street food. We got another vegetable pancake. Wow.
Good?
That's better than the Korean barbecue.
It tastes delicious. Mm-hmm. So much mozzarella cheese today I won't be able to poop for days.
It's just cheese. It's a cheese stick. Oh my god.